What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be showing you the battery location on a 2012 Toyota Prius V. Hopefully you guys can use the information from this video for a jump, to change out your battery, or you just can't simply find it at all. Start by opening up your trunk. If your battery is completely dead, you are going to have to go through the rear doors. Next, remove everything from your trunk, freeing up the spare tire cover. Once everything's removed, locate the handle, push, and lift up. Once you have it up, you may have to pull towards you to release the backside of the cover. Once the cover is removed, remove the two foam storage inserts in the back covering the spare tire. Remove the triangular looking cover on the right side, then remove the black storage cover, revealing your battery. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys found this video informative. If you guys did like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos.